This Tuesday morning mga kapuso, subay sa umaabot nga Mother's Day. Dungan tang ma-inspire sa istorya sa usa ka strong, independent single mom. Diin, pinaagi siyang gisugdan nga physical fitness studio. Mas napa-inspire niya ang susama niya nga mga mamis. Ila-ilahon ta si Tweetie Bullecer. Ma'am Tweetie, dayon sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Good morning, ma'am, and kumusta ka?
Good morning po. Okay lang. Okay lang gyapon diri na side.
Og Ma'am Tweetie, unang-una no, gusto ka na mo mas maila-ila pa. And I'm sure daghan sa mga strong, independent single mom ang nagatanaw og makarelate sa atong discussion this morning. Pwede ba nimo ma-share sa mua imuhang journey isip usa ka inahan?
Actually, I became a mom when I was 23 years old. And then 3 years after, I gave birth to my second child. And on that same year po, naging single mom ko. So, it was not easy at all being a single mom, pero maputo nga time na na-realize na ako na pag mama na day ka, you can do everything. And bahala kung sa kadaghan na bagyo, you can still smile and put your heart into whatever dreams you have for your kids.
Ma'am Tweetie, si mo ang early years nga nahimo kang mom of two. Doon na ba'y mga panahon nga naka-encounter ka og challenges nga nisukod sa imong kakayanan isip usa ka single mom?
Yes, even up to now, dili na gani siya sa early years as a mom. Ang challenges of being a mother, it doesn't stop, miski regardless of kung sa age yung mga kids. Siguro the hardest part for me was becoming a single mom. And then apart from that, I had to deal with my personal emotions and I have to care for my kids. And I have to work also for our dreams. So, daghan kayo mga storms. And I am surprised na survive na ako to tanan. Every time I look at my kids lang, mawala gyud tanan kakapoy. Well, apart from praying, number one, magyud ang prayer sa ako na nakahelp sa ako to get through all those things. And then, dako pud nga nakahelp gyud sa ako is when I started to love myself. I got into physical activities. And then realize na ako na self-love is very important in survival and getting through mga challenges in life. Lisod magud maging mama na overcome ka with your problems in life. So once you start loving yourself, you become happier and you become more effective as a mother.
Wow, you're indeed the face of a brave woman, Ma'am Tweetie. And we heard that you started your own physical fitness studio kung asa kasagaran nga mga mommies ang imuhang mga ginapang tudluan. Can you please share with us ang imuhang experience, Ma'am Tweetie?
I started my own studio way back 2016. This is it's Evolve Full Fitness and Aerial Art Studio. Ang among tawag sa among mga workout diri is it is fitness, fun, and artistry in one. It is a different kind of fitness because it involves mga apparatus like the pole, aerial silk, the fabrics, we have the aerial sling, aerial hoops. Workout siya because ang feeling lang magud sa workout is nagakat-kat lang ka and you are learning tricks when in fact you're already working out.
And I'm sure naka-interest na sab ang mga mommies no who are watching us right now tungod sa imuhang unique and a new way to express ang imuhang self-love and at the same time making your body healthy and fit. Ma'am Tweetie, having this studio, unsa basagad ang nahimong epekto niini sa imuha?
Nahimo siyang diversion sa tanan akong mga challenges. And ang teaching also, I fell in love with teaching. I realized na I was not the only one struggling in life. I've met so many students who share the same journey. And nakita na ko na it helped them the way pole fitness helped. So mas samot ko na fall in love ani nga craft because nakita na ko na it became an advocacy for me to help other women who has the same journey as me, who wants to love themselves, kanang ma-overcome nila ilang mga daily challenges, ang daily stresses, and then they have this one place na pwede nilang i-nurture ang ilang self, take care ilang self, and at the same time, have a family who understands their journey. And matabangan yun sila, i-empower sila.
And we are truly inspired sa imuhang dedication, Ma'am, no, to help mothers like you, Ma'am Tweetie. With that, unsa ba imuhang message of hope and inspiration sa atong mga kapuso viewers, especially sa atong mga mommies karon?
Kung message lang is, Kita mo gud mga babae, dili basta-basta atong role. We are mothers, we are sisters, we do all sorts of things. Ang atong role dili sa kalibutan, dili gyud siya lalim. But we have to help ourselves. We have to teach our hearts and our minds. We have to be strong. The more we are happy, mas makatabang magudta sa ubang tao. We become effective parents, daughters, and sisters if we are happy. We are able to do all sorts of things. We can move mountains if we are happy. Ayaw gyud ninyo pasag inyo sarili para mabuhat na ito itong mga gusto-buhato sa itong kinabuhi.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Tweetie, and continue to be an inspiration sa atong mga mommies out there. Salamat kay Ma'am, og amping always.
Welcome. Thank you for guys the opportunity of being heard. Salamat guys sa katanan.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo. Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.